Hello, and welcome to my Clip Studio Layers course. Today, we'll be just doing the introduction of layers and the basic concept of it. And make sure to stay tuned. We're going to have some more tips and tricks that you can use layers for in your art pieces. This is the layers section, and the main part we'll be focusing on. As you can see, you have your paper and then your actual layer. In order to add layers, you press the logo with the addition symbol over the sheet. This will add an extra layer that allows you to draw over your previous layers. Very simple and very easy to understand. As you can see, you're able to move layers up and down. You can merge and transfer your layers as well. You can also delete your layers. You can create a layer mask, which is mainly used for shading and coloring. You can also clip your layers underneath other layers. Duplicate your layer by right-clicking the chosen layer and then clicking Duplicate Layer. We're able to change the opacity of the layer at the top of the HUD. Folders are used to organize your drawings to even more specific parts. All you need to do is drag and drop once creating the folder. I'm going to be showing a clip of me drawing while using layers. I will be doing brief commentary every now and then throughout the clip. As you can see, I'm coloring before my line art. That's because many artists have different styles of doing their layers. Like what I'm doing right now is just doing sketch and then coloring, and then I'm going to return to the line art later. You can do many different styles with layers. I just prefer this one. And notice how I have two different layers. One being my actual line art, and two being my coloring. You always want your coloring to be below your line art, since it's going to be inside the lines. If it's above it, then it's going to just be clipping above the lines, and your line art won't even be seen. So make sure to always do that. Make sure to clean up your coloring slash shading every now and then, as you will make mistakes and possibly get some coloring outside of the lines. And that's okay. You can just erase it, fix it up, and it's done. That's what I did earlier, so I'm sure you can do it too. As you can see here, I make a whole new layer. This is going to be my shading layer. Your shading layer will always be above your coloring layer, so it can actually show the shading. You can also change up your layer color by clicking the layer color option that is right below opacity. Now this will change the color depending on what your current color for your line art is. Mine is black, so it'll just instantly turn into the same exact color that I've chosen. But if it's something else, then it might not be the same. As you can see here, I start doing my line art, which what I do is thick lines on the outside. So my line art will be above my sketch, and also above my colors, of course. So it's just gonna be drawing over all the lines that is outside, like outside lines and all that. And yeah. And that's the end of the clip. That's the entire drawing. I finished it. It didn't take me that long since it was only just an example for to help people and help you. And I hope you like it. I have 4 layers, all of them split up into sections. So let's break it down. The top layer is obviously going to be my line art. The third layer, which is layer 4, is going to be my shading. And layer 3, as you can see right there, is going to be my coloring. And the final layer, which is layer 1, is my sketch. As you can see, by clicking on the eyeball, it will hide your drawing, or hide that section, the layer of your drawing. So once you're done drawing everything and you want to remove your sketch, just know you can do that and have a clean drawing in the end. And that's the end of my Clip Studio Layers course. I hope you learned a lot from this. Um, for tips, and these are very important tips that you're gonna need while drawing. Always remember to have layers. Just always remember to have layers. If you draw and you feel like, oh, I'm gonna color it now, you're not gonna be able to color it because you forgot your layers. You have to always have layers. Number two, I would I would have to say, yeah, I would have to say that you would always have to keep folders. Always use folders for your layers. If it's like a really in-depth drawing, use folders for your layers for sure, since it's going to have many stages of shading, coloring, and line art. Yeah, you're gonna need a lot, and I mean a lot of folders, or not folders, but layers. My third tip, be creative. Be creative how you do things. It doesn't have to, the way you format your layers doesn't always have to be like everyone else. You can do in any way you like. Don't let anyone stop you. Uh, yeah, don't let anyone stop you. How you do your own layers, do your own art, do your own type of line art and all that. Don't let anyone discourage you. And yeah, those are my tips. And I'm glad you enjoyed this Clip Studio layer course. See ya.